On Friday, 18th of June, the IATEFL YLT6 will host our virtual pre-conference event on celebrating children's and teenagers' multilingualism in ELT. I'm Helen Chapman, YLT-SIG Joint Events Coordinator, and I'm delighted to be speaking to Canan Marasligil, who's giving an Inspire session during the PCE. What we'd like to know is, what exactly will your session be about?
Hi, Helen. Thank you very much. So I will to tell multilingual stories. So I'm a comics lover. I've been reading comics all my life, and I've been working a lot with comics. And I'm very interested in the way you tell stories using sequential art. And so in this Inspire session, I will share some examples of workshops I've done with younger audiences between ages 12 and 14 most of the time to explore storytelling using comics and translating from different languages. So we use collages to make comics. On top, we use food. We will look at all the possibilities using the medium of comics really as a way to celebrate students' multilingual skills and their multicultural heritage.
Oh, fantastic. We are really looking forward to seeing IATEFL YLT-SIG members, followers and friends at the virtual PCE on the 18th of June. There will be online interaction and creative exploration, and the places are filling fast. So please don't delay. Register on the IATEFL conference website today. Thank you.